the supragingival dentistry at the LE Institute is cutting edge because he's teaching how to be efficient, be conservative in your prep design, but at the same time have a very aesthetic and retentive restoration that will serve the patient well.
It's helped me to do more conservative dentistry. So it serves the patients better because I don't remove as much tooth structure as I used to before. And that, I think, is the most important thing that I've learned with him.
The supragingival technique and the minimally invasive principles that it's founded upon is a complete paradigm shift from dentistry that's taught in dental schools.
For many years I have been saying that full crowns are not necessary anymore. Truly, bonded onlays are a full replacement for full crowns. In fact, they are easier, cleaner, prettier, and make a difficult, complicated tooth into a simple bonded onlay. On this hands-on workshop, we will review techniques, we will review materials, we will perform many complex onlay preparations, we will perform a minimally invasive supragingival crown preparation, and we will review the 5 rules of supragingival dentistry. My goal is that at the end of this workshop, all the participants will feel comfortable and understand the principles, the materials necessary to be predictable and successful with supragingival minimally invasive onlays and all ceramic crowns.